Hiya. Okay, so this video is going to show you how I made this guy behind me a life-size leopard floor lamp, step by step, from scratch. I hope you enjoy it. So I started the project with some fine chicken wire, some wire cutters and some gloves if you don't want to hurt your hands, but I just find you have a lot less control when you do that. So I cut out some sort of leg lengths for my leopard and I just started moulding them by hand. I gave it a little extra, several inches at the bottom, which I twisted so that that would fit into what will later be the concrete base that I set the lamp in. So there I am, putting the two back legs, I think, together. Then I'm going to mould the front two legs and attach it to the body. Yep, here I am attaching the back legs together and moulding the bottom, which is going to then turn into the tail. This is the tail, the curly tail's just gone on. Right, now I'm going around the front and I'm trying to mould the face. I had to reinforce some of the harder bits with some extra chicken wire, which you can just tuck in as you go. Okay, now you can really see it. I've set it in a concrete base, which I bought just a bag of ready mix concrete that you just mix with some water in a big tub and pour into what I made was a sort of cardboard covered in bin liner just from some cardboard boxes base. The right size that I needed. I've also added some fairy lights inside and there's a little wire coming out of the back leg that you can't see and it's got a USB charging cable. I made sure I distributed the lights really evenly down each leg and into the head so that you get an even coverage of light. I then got some white tissue paper and I decoupaged the white tissue paper all over with some spray glue, or you can just use PVA glue. I then did one layer of gold tissue paper also. And now you can see here I am just painting the face and the spots on the leopard. He's got, you know, kind of whiter chest and all those things. I did print out two pictures of leopards from different angles, one from the face angle and one from the side, so I could see exactly how they look and where the spots exactly form, because it's not necessarily what you imagine when you think of a leopard. The bigger kind of spots that you think of are just really on the body area. Here I am, you can see just putting on 2 layers of decorator's varnish that I bought from Amazon. All these links will be below, so you can see just with a paintbrush, super easy. And I let that dry for 24 hours and then I did another coat. And now here I am removing the cardboard base from the concrete. It's all set, it's really nice, slightly dusty, you just need to kind of brush away those bits. And I'm gonna plug it in and then I'm gonna reveal it to the boys for their bedroom. Okay boys, your lamp is finally ready. Should we go in?
Yeah.
Do you wanna come and see it?
Wow! Yeah.
What do you think?
It's amazing. Yeah.
But guess what else? Shall I tell you? Should we see how does it look in the room? Oh, I need to sort your curtains out. But, do you want to see something really cool?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to show you. Alright. Alright, guys. Right, Esbez, can you come here?
Yes.
Hold this for me. Can you hold it right there so you can see the leopard? Oh yeah, it works! It works! What do you think, boys?
It's amazing! Yeah, it's amazing! We really wanted to stay in our room, don't we? Yeah.